part 3 of my slime, decorating my slime. But let me show y'all what it looks like in the morning. What the world? I bet it's gonna be so satisfying. I just put my hands in, it's so satisfying. I'm finna take it out. Taking it out.
An infinite number of dimensions in the universe, some of which are very similar to
What it looks like. So I'm supposed to. So those decorations that I put up in there.
Oh, they could use Bill Evil's interdimensional.
It says that in the morning it's gonna look like that, and you're supposed to mix it up real good,
Yes, a dimension like
so it can get real satisfying.
difference.
I just made it to a cinema, but it didn't work out. I wish I had one of those little mini microphones that y'all just put up to this thing and just like, and it lets you hear the sound of anything you're touching. Bye guys.